referee, Mr. Rolly Casillan, national referee. Second referee, Mr. Philip Sison, international referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Stags of the San Sebastian College. Wearing jersey number 2, Trisha May Crisostomo. Wearing jersey number 5, Gretchel Soltones. At number 6, Zarina Burbano. Wearing jersey number 9, Maria Ara Malyare. Guest player and team captain with jersey number 3, Suzanne Roses. And guest player with jersey number 7, Jeng Boli. Libero number 8, May Denise Crisostomo. Head coach, Mr. Clint Malazzo. Calling on our Tigresses from the University of Santo Tomas. Wearing jersey number 6, Pamela Lastimosa. At number 7, Maika Ortiz. Wearing jersey number 15, De Leon. At number 18, Maria Carmela Tunay. Guest player and team captain with jersey number 1, Rhea De Maculangan. And guest player with jersey number 8, Aiza Maizo. Libero, number 12, Jancel Dusaran. Head coach, Mr. Oji Mamon.
Okay, underway tayo. Double block, UST, looking like the UST of old, huh? Nice pickup from downstairs. And UST always fun to watch in terms of its fundamentals. That cross over the net, lucky break.
St. Ross is getting that over.
Kahit naman nung araw pwede yan eh.
Yan, oo, pwede yan. Off a spike.
Off a spike. Off a serve, hindi pwede noon yun.
Kailan lang yan na-implement as a... Ito, may block for UST.
Grabe itong Basti, nagdala ng banda, dadalawa lang sila yung maingay.
Eh, ganyan talaga, hindi yan sa number.
College yun eh, di ba? The meantime, Malyare.
Total miscue. Everybody was, 3 players were there for UST, pero tinginan lang ang nangyari.
Horrible start for UST. They're not coordinated in the early goings, although that other point was more of a break than anything else. It's a 3-zip.
Well, alam mo, Seb, itong si Soltones. Yan ang hinahanap kong player ng first game nila. Medyo napanood ko to eh. Very interesting player itong si Soltones ng San Sebastian.
Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. Ilang generations itong USD combination? Dalawa, tatlo? Mga dalawa at least, no?
Oo. Baka nga tatlo with Ortiz and itong si younger ones na sila Tunay. Tapos Aiza Maizo there.
Oo nga, no? Alam mo, for the longest time, akala ko magkapatid si Aiza at saka si Ortiz. Walang lokohan.
Talaga?
Si Maika, di ba?
Pati yung body structure nila dati talagang halos parehong-pareho.
In the meantime, that is unpicked up and it stays down 5-1. Burbano is all set to serve. San Sebastian falling to Ateneo in 4 sets. UST in 3 sets. Attack. Picked up downstairs. We go up. Lastimosa. The other way with Jeng Boli. Rejected. Crisostomo keeping it airborne. Palo mula sa likod. Huli pa rin. Itong pinakamahabang rally. Hanggang bukas ito.
Ang ganda ng opensa at depensa ng parehong teams. Until Jeng Boli hits that white sa pasasalamat naman ng UST. Ay, salamat at napakalakas na spike na naman ang galing kay Jeng Boli.
Jeng Boli, hate na hate niya pagka yung nanggigil siya, no? Pag alam niyang overcooked yung kanyang palo. Ito, eksakto.
Oh, and tama ka doon. Inside USD score at nobody there for USD at all.
Hinanapan talaga ng butas ni Jeng eh. 6-2 ang bilang natin, 6 ang magsaserve. Si Malyari ang magsaserve para sa Baste. That's Maria Ara
Oh,
Malyari.
that is so
yes.
well read. Jeng Boli just waiting for that Aiza Maizo spike as we take a look at it once again. Basang-basa. Even Sue Roses napatakbo na. Alam niya nang ibibigay kay Aiza.
Pastimosa. But Nosy, going back to that picture, you were telling me that di hamak naman itong generation na ito, no? Yung mga anak na natin. Ang tatangkad nito mga to, no?
Oh, malalaki din ang lalo na ngayon itong generation na to with the Santiago sisters, yung mga players rin sa Lasal.
Yes, indeed.
At yung mga players ng teams, makikita mo na iba talaga yung laki nila. In fact, yung mga taong nanonood dito, nagugulat pag nakita nila live.
We'll take a short break and San Sebastian is off to a blazing start, 8-3.